Welcome to another Go Power how-to video. Today, we are going to show you the steps to connect two 100Ah advanced lithium batteries with the required cables needed to use the battery bank with the Go Power Connect app. Step 1. Remove the water caps. Step 2. Connect the positive and negative terminals of the bank. Step 3. Connect one of the battery end cap terminating resistors to the port, as shown. Note: twist the cap slightly until you hear a click. Then proceed to tighten. Do not force the connector in. Forcing the resistor in will result in irreparable damage. Step 4. Connect the battery interconnect cable to the ports on each battery in the bank. Step 5. Finally, connect another battery end cap terminating resistor to the second port of the last battery. The bank should now be ready to connect with the app. For more information, visit gopowersolar.com.